Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. In today's video, I wanted to make this dinosaur cake, and I will also link the chocolate melt dinosaurs that I made. So I'm just starting out with the basic cake, whatever cake of your choice. I love this, you guys. I love that right there from Wilton. It helps. Um, my cake comes out of my pan so easy. It's like ridiculous. I'm like, I will never coat it with flour and all this stuff again. I'm just gonna always get that Wilton spray right there. It's awesome. So this right here is actually for a doll mold, but I'm using it for my volcano. And don't worry about the little cupcakes. I'm not the cupcakes, the donuts I'm making. That's for another video. And also I am doing my icing, which is just buttercream icing, which is butter, putting in my confectional sugar, a little bit of milk, and vanilla. So my cakes are baking right now, and I'm finished with my icing, but I'm putting in the airbrush dye for the brown and the green. I am making a forest with brown forest and green trees. And here we have it right here, my three um, buttermilk icing. And so my cakes are done, and I'm putting them away in the refrigerator before, and then see how easy it came out, just like that. And I'm just putting them away so that I could get ready to do my icing and crumb coat it, which I'll be doing right now. But before, I'm trying to find a base. I got this poster board from a 99-cent store. It's pretty. I'm trying to see if it's gonna, it's the cake was kind of heavy, and if it could be, if it will be able to fit on the board if I needed to double it. I didn't. It worked just fine. I'm just taping the back. So I'm cutting my cake down the middle so I could put this lemon curd. Yeah, we love lemon curd in our cake, and I got this from an English, a British, UK little store that sells all the UK stuff. So I'm taking off the top part. I hate cutting cakes, you guys. I feel like, what am I gonna do with this? But um, it's not gonna waste. So I put my volcano up, and I'm just putting on the little bit of frosting to keep it so it won't move. I'm crumb coating it right now with the white, and I'm gonna put that in the refrigerator for a little bit and getting my brown and other stuff ready. Hey guys, if you haven't by now, can you please take this time to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. So this is ready. It's out of the fridge, and I'm making my waterfall, my stream of water. And to see where I want it to go on the cake, I will be taking raisin nuts to make my rocks. And everything on this cake is going to be edible. And so I'm doing the rocks out of raisin nuts, and I'm just going to be framing the waterfall with that, okay? And like I said again, the dinosaurs are made off of chocolate melts, and I did that with a mold that I bought, and I will link the video of how I made those. So now I am doing my little cellophane wrap with my icing so that I don't, have to reuse a lot of my piping bags, and this is an easy way that I like to do it. And I'll be starting out with the bark of the tree from the for the forest. So you guys, I'm not a professional cake maker. I did take 4 of Wilton cake class. I haven't done cake in a while, but I just wanted to do this for a video. So this is what the bark of the tree look like. And I said to myself, why didn't I do this first? I put on the top first. So I'm not making it smooth or anything because it's the jungle, it's the forest, it is rough, tough, and dirty, baby. It's like, hey. So but I figured I ran out of the brown, but it's okay because I fill in the rest with some green grass, which you'll see in a few. So I'm just doing my volcano um, with the same brown and the same, tree bark effect. And like I said, again, I'm not a professional cake maker, but I decided to make this for a YouTube video and share just a little bit that I did just for fun. And I'm going around with the trees to fill in the spaces where I did not have enough icing. And so it's for my trees. So I really like how this came out, you guys, because one, like I said, I'm not a cake maker. I do this for fun. I took the class to be with my son. He was really young when he fell in love with the cake boss. And so he's like, Mom, I want to do this. So the adult classes were back to back, which was 4 different courses, a month each. But they said, if your son is going to be in here, he's too young. I think it was 12. I don't remember, but he was kind of young. You have to supervise. I'm like, why supervise? I'm going to take this. And me and my son, we had such an awesome time. We went there twice a week, I think, for a month for each course for 4 months, and twice a week, one course per month. And we had fun. We bond together. Asked him if he would decorate a cake today. Nope, he's 17, but I still have all the supplies, and I decided, hey, why not do it? So this is piping gel, you guys. I'm going to be using this in order to make my water and my fire. And I'm using the same airbrush color for it. I ran out of the gel coloring, so I decided to use the airbrush one. And I think I made the blue a little bit too much blue. My husband's like, hey, why is the water is so blue? I'm like, this is the best water you will ever see. It's not polluted. It's in the jungle way back when there's no human being screwing up the world. You guys, look how blue that water is. So anyways, yeah, I'll be using a piping gel for that. And then the reddish one for the huge volcano, you guys, that's going to be spewing flames in a few minutes. But hey, um, so it was just some ideas. I stole bits and pieces off of Pinterest. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a square cake or a round cake or, what type of cake. And so I just realized I had the pan and it wasn't going to be a big cake. It was just for a video and just to share with you guys different ideas, especially when you have kids and maybe you can't go out and buy a cake. You could even use a pack cake. Like I have recipes from my sister, her book from the Bear Pantry show. I also have another recipe that I just received, but I haven't used that one yet from just a different one. And but for whatever cake you decide to use, just hey, have fun with it. Don't feel like I can't make my kids cake because I'm not a pro. So also in the mold for the dinosaur video, I also showed how I make my trees. And these trees are out of ladyfingers and again chocolate melt. And I just dyed the white chocolate melt green and made the trees. So I'm putting on my dinosaur, and also some of the dinosaurs broke, but I showed in that video how I remedy it, and I covered a few of them with the green grass like growing on the dinosaur because the jungle is full of trees. I mean, hey, you can't walk through the jungle without basically half of you in trees anyway. So that's how I camouflaged it. One of them you could actually see the white because but I'm like, oh well, you're gonna eat it anyways. It's still chocolate. So, I had fun with this. My husband's like, why did you make all? But it's like so many dinosaurs, like all over the cake. All you see is dinosaurs everywhere. It's kind of crazy. And I'm like, hey, I made these chocolate melts, and they're all gonna go on this cake. So that's what I did. So, I don't understand why that that bird is coming out of the volcano or sitting in it, but hey, it looks cute right there for photos, okay? So don't judge me. So anyways, you could see that I have some all type of different dinosaurs on here. You also have the eggs of the dinosaur. You have a baby one, the baby in the egg, and you also have the head of a one of the dinosaur that didn't make it. But hey, um, it's so much fun. It was fun doing this cake, and it was like I said, no special reason, and I ended up giving it away. And because if I keep it in the house, I really wanted to try it. I really, really wanted to try the volcano and the river, I'm sorry, the waterfall and the tree and maybe a dinosaur. But I cannot right now. It's just simply cannot eat any sweets right now. And but and also taste the lemon curd. The last time I had lemon curd, I think a lemon curd cake was probably my mom or my aunt. I'm trying to remember. But anyways, that's our go-to filling for the cake. That or strawberries. But anyways, guys, tell me how you like it. Please share. This is a cute little idea. You don't have to be a professional. Again, I'll link the video of how I made the dinosaurs. And if I didn't put it there, I did get those molds from, I think it was Dinosaur, but you could get it from AliExpress as well. So there you go. That's on the right hand side and right corner is the egg with the baby inside. I think I'm going to give you a close up of that one. And there's the head, the fossil right there. He didn't make it. Sorry about that, you guys. But it's life in a dinosaur world. There it is right here. There's a baby about to be born, you guys. Oh. Anyways, take care of the earth. Take care of the population. I mean, pollution, sorry. The pollution. Take care because we know we need to be able to survive this world without dying of just the air and breathing in crap and recycle if you can. Don't throw things in the waters. Put stuff in the trash. That's why we have trash. You nasty people. So hey, um, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I plan to do another cake, which is a doll cake. And I don't know if it's going to be JoJo or if it's going to be just showing you the sides, you guys, JoJo or Frozen. But I'm going to do another doll cake because I just want to have fun. Okay. So tell me how you like this one. And if you have another cake idea, remember, I'm not a professional. I will camouflage this the best as I could with all these little props. So thanks for watching my videos, you guys. It means so much to me. Please don't forget to subscribe, share with others so they can watch.